Firefighters in California are racing against the clock to contain two major fires before dangerous high winds return this week.
Crews report progress on the fire lines, but they're still struggling to contain the Eaton fire and the largest of the three, the Palisades Fire. Here's the latest from the fire lines this morning. The Hearst fire there at the top center of your screen is 89% contained. The Eaton fire there to the right of your screen is 27% contained. But the largest and most destructive fire so far, the Palisades fire there at the bottom, is the largest. It's 13% contained this morning. Yeah, not much. The size of the burn area continues to grow, and so does the death toll. At least 24 people have now been confirmed killed by these fires. More than 100,000 remain under some kind of evacuation order, and even those tasked with fighting the fires are feeling the loss. One firefighter discovered his home was also destroyed.
It was kind of surreal. I mean, it's something that really hits home. You know, you do this for a living, but you know, you invest your life to try to protect life and property. But when it's your own, it's just a different feeling.
Red flag warnings are also still in effect for that area, meaning critical fire conditions are expected now through Wednesday. Los Angeles is not the only city that firefighters are concerned about with the spread of the flames.
The entire region needs to be prepared to evacuate. We need everyone from Ventura to San Diego to understand that evacuation order is still a possibility.
Now later this hour, we'll have a live update from Palisades and the latest on destruction left behind.